Hello everybody, welcome back to hardreset.info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily enable the two-sided printing on your copy on the CANON i-SENSYS MF657Cdw. So first, what we need to do is we need to go over to the menu. Now here in the menu, let's go over and click on the function settings. And here we will have the copy. Now let's click on change default settings, and here we will be able to enable the two-sided printing. As you guys can see, let's click here, and we can enable it by going into one-sided, two-sided, 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 and two-sided, one-sided. So as you guys can see, we can just choose this option. Let's click on apply, and now after we click apply right here at the bottom in the corner on the right side, then we will be able to print it with two sides. So for example, we can copy two-sided files to two-sided files, or a one-sided file to two-sided one. So it's basically all up to our preference, and now I'll show you guys how to do it the other way. So as you guys can see, I am on the website right now. Let's go over to system manager mode and enter our remote UI access pin. So it's very important to not lose it or to forget it. If you did, then you guys can set up a new one on your printer. And after we log in, basically all we gotta do is go to settings and registration. Now after that, let's go over and select the function settings, go to copy settings, and here click on edit. Now we will have every single setting here, and as you guys can see, two-sided is right here. We can change it to one-sided, two-sided, every single option that we had before. And original orientation, we can change it from portrait to landscape, and we can also change the finishing type to, let's say, calendar type or book type. Doesn't matter, I mean, it's just your preference. So that's basically how you guys can change it. Now all you got to do is click OK right here, and those settings will be saved. So that's basically it. I hope this video helped you. If it did, don't leave a like, sub, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.